Okay, in this video, I want to talk about histograms, which is another way to analyze continuous data. When you have counts of data, you can use pivot tables, but how do we look for a pattern, the underlying pattern of data? And histograms are a great tool for that. So as an example, in the supermarket worksheet, I've got revenue over here, and I could easily calculate what the average is. And the standard deviation, but that doesn't really tell me a shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this, and then I'm going to go under Insert, and this is Excel 2016, and I'm going to pull the histogram, and this gives me a great picture of the pattern. And what it does is that it creates these buckets or these bins, and then what this number is a frequency. How many times between $7.73 and $8.93, how many times did that occur? And you can see that occurred about 1,000 times. So most of the time, the purchases were in this area, but we did have some extreme ones over here, and I could do this for any type of continuous data. I can go grab, in this case, this is salary of these baseball players. And this is an interesting one. This is salaries, what it's looking at, and you can see what it's telling us is that there's certainly some superstars out here that make a lot of money, but most of our players are somewhere between $500,000 and I'm going to guess that's probably $2 million. Yeah, $500,000 and 2.5, which is still not a bad gig, but you can see this gives you an understanding of the behavior of that underlying data, in addition to being able to calculate the average and the standard deviation. So when you do your homework problems or cases, you probably will also want to look at an underlying distribution, the histogram, to get an idea of what happens. Thanks.